Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sankalp Dubey. I'm FPSB certified retirement and tax planning specialist और health insurance series को continue करते हुए I'm back with another video and the topic of this video is going to be corporate health insurance versus private health insurance. Though the topic is versus, it is not exactly versus. इस वीडियो में we will get a clarity on specifically corporate health insurance policy and the role of private health insurance policy in the same place as well. So yeah, exactly. Actually, today I just had a consultation with a client who's Hyderabad based and working with a leading software company. He's a tech employee, and this is a very fresh example from that particular consultation. And based on the consultation which I previously had before with the clients whose companies are actually offering them a group health insurance policy or corporate health insurance, whatever you call it. So it is based on that. So let's begin the video. So let's take this particular example of this consultation. So I'm taking a different name. So Aman is actually a corporate employee. He's working in Hyderabad, and he has a compensation of around 25 to 27 lakh. Okay, and he has wife, younger daughter of 6 year old. Aman is around 33 of age. Wife is 29 and daughter is 6, and he has his mother and father are also there, okay, who are living in their hometown back in your Maharashtra. So, and we were doing the other planning of his online retirement and life insurance and children education, and meanwhile I asked him a question that do you have a private health insurance policy? So he was very confident and he told ki actually Sankalp, my company already is covering me for 10 lakh rupees from my existing health insurance from my company, and I do not see why do I need a private health insurance policy while my company is paying for it, and even me, my wife, my daughter, and my mother and father, everyone is covered in that. So he was asking that question. So I was like was very happy that the companies they actually providing the coverage for their employees. So the it's a good company who are actually doing this for them. And but what exactly happened, I gave him some sort of realization and explanation that how exactly the corporate health insurance policies play out. So I will divide this video in three segment, and किस तरीके का अमन का रिस्पॉन्स था उस कंसल्टेशन में. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आई विल गिव सम लर्निंग एंड की पॉइंट्स इन दिस वीडियो. So the first part is the corporate comfort zone. So company Aman is not paying for any premiums, but it is a part of CTC of Aman. So keep that in mind. I'll come to this point again. So family is secured. All the 5 members are covered in the policy. नो वेटिंग पीरियड ड्रामा, कुछ ड्रामा ही नहीं है. सारे सर्जरीज डे 1 से कवरेज है. ठीक है, प्री एग्जिस्टिंग हो या फिर स्पेसिफिक इलनेसेस हो, नी रिप्लेसमेंट हो, कैटरैक्ट हो मम्मी पापा का. सो पॉलिसी में कुछ वेटिंग पीरियड भी नहीं था उनका. देन उसके बाद पॉलिसी एक्सेप्टेंस के लिए कुछ मेडिकल का जरूरत नहीं है. कंपनीज कवरेज देम फ्रॉम द डे 1 सिंस ही ज्वाइन इन द एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो प्री एग्जिस्टिंग कवर भी एज आई टोल्ड अर्लियर, and it was well covered. Means it's the best thing to have for any जो भी health insurance they are looking for it. So this is the best scenario. ये company is covering for all the things. medical का भी जरूरत नहीं है, and day 1 से coverage है, mother father भी covered है. So it's the best thing. So then I told him second part is the eye opener moment. So this is the second part of the video. So I gave him another example from particular this one startup company was there in India. So it was in edtech sector, so everyone knows that company. I will not take any names. So what happened, एक और client को मैं consult कर रहा था. He was having a reasonably high package in this 30 only, 30 lakh के आसपास था उनका package. But since company was having some financial struggles at that time, they had to change their internal policies. And financial struggle होने से क्या हुआ कि they reduce the benefit of the health insurance policy in one of the clients. So I gave this particular example to Aman in my consultation. So I'm telling you guys the same thing what chat we had with Aman. So I told that example कि उनका जब same situation आया, financial struggles they were facing, so at that time they changed that, reduce the sum assured. Okay, and some cases में क्या कर सकते हैं, they दे एम्प्लॉय को पेमेंट क्लॉज, मतलब बिल हम लोग मिलके शेयर करेंगे. अगर 10 लाख की पॉलिसी है और अगर आपका बिल आता है मान के चलिए 2 लाख तक का, तो बॉस आप उसमें 20% आप पेमेंट करो, 80% हम लोग पेमेंट करेंगे, मीन्स कंपनी विल टेक केयर ऑफ। सो जो भी कंपनी आपको हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी देती है, इट्स नॉट गारंटीड। अभी आपका रिसेंटली अनदर कंपनी माइंड ट्री का इट वॉज टेकन ओवर बाय L&T इन्फोटेक। तो जो माइंड ट्री का इंटरनल पॉलिसीज होंगी, मीन्स जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी या माइंड ट्री बाय इटसेल्फ जो एम्प्लॉयर अपनी एम्प्लॉइज को इंश्योरेंस दिया होगा, इट वुड हैव बीन टेकन ओवर बाय द L&T और सम इंटरनल अरेंजमेंट माइट हैव हैपन। We can expect some changes also, but it may or it may not happen, but possibility है कि हो सकता है। एंड अगर चेंजेस भी होने वाला है हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी में, कवरेज कम कर रहे हैं या कुछ क्लॉज ऐड कर रहे हैं, सो एम्प्लॉयज जनरली डू नॉट हैव एनी कंट्रोल ओवर इट। ओके, सो मीन दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि आपका उस पर कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं होगा। So whatever employer will decide, that will be the final word. So that exactly happened with that particular edtech company, and this example I gave to Aman, and this has happened. Then and another question exactly I asked Aman ki boss, the company you are actually working with in Hyderabad, so right now you're 32, you can expect you will be working at least till the age of 55-60, be it in the form of job, or you will be self-employed or business, but this is your prime working age for next at least 30 years. So are you be sticking to the same company till the end of the career? So he was like, no, probably not. I will, if I get better opportunities, or if I want to do something of my own, I will quit or switch jobs. So that will happen. I asked him ki, even let's say you are working in the same company and you are retiring from the same company, so whether that company will give you insurance after you have retired, and how will you actually manage by the time you are retiring? So second thing. And third thing is again ki, if you are self-employed and if you are doing things on your own and you have quit your employment contract, at that time who will be actually taking care of you? And by that time your parents have aged little bit, their pre-existing condition might have developed over the time. Okay, your family size might have increased, maybe you might have a second baby at that time. So your family size from 5 people right now had become 6, including your parents. So at that time how will you actually manage it? उस टाइम तो आपका एम्प्लॉयर उसको कवरेज नहीं देगा ना। और वैसे भी अगर आप एक एम्प्लॉयर से दूसरे एम्प्लॉयर को जाते हैं, तो हो सकता है नेक्स्ट एम्प्लॉयर जो है वो आपको इंश्योरेंस कवरेज दे सकता है या नहीं भी दे सकता है। सो व्हाई आर यू टोटली रिलाइंग अपॉन योर कॉर्पोरेट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी? इट इज़ गुड दैट यू हैव इट, बट पैरेलली मेंटेन योर ओन पॉलिसी। ओके, सो एंड वो जो CTC का जो मैं पार्ट बताया था आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो में, कि जो एक्सपेंस कंपनी द प्रीमियम्स पे करते हैं, दैट दे क्लेम इट एट द टैक्स डिडक्शन, एंड वो आपके CTC में भी ऐड हो जाता है। सो अगर आपके CTC में ऐड हो जाता है एंड यू हैव नॉट पेड द प्रीमियम, तो सेक्शन 80D में जो डिडक्शन होता है 25,000 तक का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम का, तो दैट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक। ओके, बट योर एम्प्लॉयर एक्चुअली पेइंग फॉर इट. So if you are taking your own health insurance policy, you are covered in a very comprehensive manner. Okay, you know exactly what you are buying, you know exactly for what type of things you are covered, and how that policy will actually play out in the future course of time. Waiting period रहते हैं उसमें, चीज़ों में pre-existing conditions रहते हैं. So you take a reasonable sum assured coverage of the policy and you continue it in that manner. So by the time you are actually changing, or you are calling it quit, or you are doing something of your own, or your parents have aged, so you will be well covered, and your parents also. Okay, so at that time what happens, everything is well taken care of, and you do not need worry कि बॉस अभी मेरा ये एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो गया एंड कुछ इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन आता है, then who will actually take care of it. So the message is कि even if you have a corporate health insurance policy, it is a must that you have a individual policy of your own. So this is the advice that I have given to my clients, and they have well respected this advice, and in a very logical and concise manner. You see, I have properly made notes for this, and ये actually consultation का ही part है. So जो मैं consulting किया था वो client के साथ, आज ही morning का बात है, उसी का ही मैं notes बनाया हुआ, and I created that in a form of a video so that you guys can actually learn from it. So I hope you guys have got the message, what I was trying to say from this video. If you have any sort of queries, and if you want to take any decision related to insurance and other products, so you can definitely reach out to me on the number given below in the video, and I'll make sure I'll take care of you in a very good manner and to the best of my abilities. With that being said, I'll see you in another video, and thanks for staying till the end of it. Thank you.